Hello, thank you for watching. Today we are going to make a short mermaid dress. Yes, and take note that 1 centimeter on this pattern, it represents 1 inch. Yeah, so whichever centimeter we measure, it is representing 1 inch. So we are going to start with our vertical measurements. So we are going to locate the bust line, the chest line, the waistline, and the hip line, then the length. Yeah, so we shall start with allocating those points on our pattern paper. Yeah, so we are going to make those points there. So that is our bust line. Yes, and that is our under bust, and that is our hip line, and that is the first length. Yeah, I said first length because it is not the full skirt length, the full dress length. So we are going to make our neckline. Yeah, I made a neckline of 3 by 4. I told you 1 centimeter. This pattern represents 1 inch. So I made 3 by 4, down 4 and up 3 on the shoulder. So I went to make a shoulder slope. So our shoulder was 8, was 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So we go down by 1 inch. Yeah, and we measure our chest line. So our chest line is the bust line divided by 6 plus 1.5. So we make that line there. That is our chest line. So we are going to use a marker to make those lines very, very visible. Yeah, so we are going to mark those lines. As you can see, the chest line, the bust line, the under bust, the hip line, and the length. Yeah, so we are going to make our points meet. We are going to make that point to meet that point. Yeah, as you can see there, and make our shoulder slope. So remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Yeah, so we divide our line by 2, that line by 2, and go in by 1 inch. Yeah, we get by 1 inch, as I've told you there. So I was telling you, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, yeah, for more tutorials. So we are going to mark our waistline. I didn't mark it there. Yeah, so we are going on that line and we are going to make our bust measurement. Yeah, so my bust was 38, which is 8.5. So we go on the waist, and my waist was 32, which makes it 8 inches. So my hip line was 44.5, which makes it like 11 point something. And then on my line, I come by 1 inch from the line of the hip. So I come and make my armhole there. Yeah, I make my armhole, I make those points meet as source. Yeah, so I get this line and connect that to the waistline. Yes, and from the waistline I connect to the hip line, and from the hip line I connect to our first dress length. Yeah, I'll call it first because it's not the end. Yeah, so I get my curve, and that line is not supposed to be sharp. I make it a little bit slanting. Yeah, as source. Yeah, so that's our first pattern. We cut it out. Yeah, you cut out that first pattern properly. Yeah. So that is our first pattern. That's how it looks like. So we make our circle, we make a pattern paper, we divide, we fold it into two and we make a circle of it, but I'll cut it on fold, so when I opened it, it's like that, it's still on fold. So what we are going to do, we are going to get a pattern paper, the upper pattern paper, and this. So we have two pattern pieces. Yeah, so we are going to add the upper part to the lower part. Yeah, so I will use my pins. Yeah, I'll pin them down as you can see, and pin the dress down. Yeah, so that's our results. Yeah, so you pin it down as so. Yeah, so that's our pattern. That's how it came out to be. That's how it looked like. That is the front view. Yeah, so that is our pattern. That is how our skirt looks, our dress, our mermaid, short mermaid dress looks like. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials, for more patterns. Yeah, and for our subscribers that are coming back, thank you for following up, thank you for watching. May God really, really, really bless you. So that's a dress. It is as simple as that. It is not so complicated. So thank you for watching.